Hello everyone, in this video we'll be creating an update route for blog so we can update the details of our blog. So let's do that. Let me just name it update a blog. For that I'll be using app.put and let me just add blog. Okay, it's a string, so blog, and then I'll be specifying the ID, and then we can specify request and response. Also we can make it async if you want. Then we can use the same thing, the try and catch block. Now here, just like we are grabbing the ID from the parameters, we can similarly grab the data that we want to update basically. So that we can grab it from the body. So request.body, and then we can store it in the data. Then we have a find by ID and update method, which we can use and specify the ID in the first parameter, and in the second parameter we can specify the data that we want to update basically. So this way we can update our details in our collection or database. If I do that, and if I let's say add a put request, and let's just say I'm updating this detail which is intro to programming, right? So let me just update this detail to introduction to programming instead of intro to programming. uh, Also I wanted to tell you one more thing about here. If I update this, let's say JK Rowling, if I make a put request, now it should update the title and the author. You can see this is giving me this ID and this response. If I go to the collection now, and if I let's say refresh it, you can see this is updated, which is introduction to programming. This is a description and JK Rowling. But when we are making requests, we are getting the old request, right? So we are getting the old data back. So for that, for getting the latest data, we can pass one more parameter, which is return original, and we can set it to false. So it will not return us the original data, instead it will return us the data which is updated. So if I let's say update it again with the JK Rowling, instead of JK Rowling, let's update it with Tony Stark, let's say. If I make one more request, so now this time I'll be receiving the updated data. You can see I'm getting the updated data. Introduction to programming, this is the description, and the author is Tony Stark. So this keyword we added here. So we created the update route. Now let's create similarly the delete route in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.